I was sent a garden apron to check out, so let's open it up. Looks like you put your arms through here, I think. There's a Velcro here. Put this around here. This is great. So, okay, so this has a lot of different features. Let's go over them. You can see there's like a little bit of elastic here with pockets. So I have two different pockets here. So if I want to put like some of my tools or whatever in there. But what this is it allows you to, I don't know, maybe if you have bulbs or if you know, maybe you're pulling weeds, put it in this area right here. And then when you're done, you can just simply Velcro it and then it comes open. So that's kind of cool. I like the Velcro, easy, and it's also adjustable. And then there is a zipper here. So if you also want to keep notes or something. And then this is also a pocket, goes all the way down to the bottom. So everything is adjustable. You can see everything's adjustable here, goes over. A lot of functionality. Not only is it very functional, but it's super cute too. So check it out.